In this video I will show you how to enable tabs in new navigation pane in File Explorer in Windows 11, Beta Channel, version 22621.160. See tabs in navigation pane not showing, how to enable see full video. If you're using Windows 11 version 22621.160, you can enable this feature. Download vivetool from GitHub link below description. Extract vivetool in C drive Windows, SYSTM32 folder. Now type cmd and run as administrator. Copy the command from Notepad and paste it, then press enter. C2 command features added successfully. Restart your computer. See tabs in navigation pane added successfully and working well. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with your friends. Thank you.